Welcome to the podcast. Today we're talking about meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites. What is the difference between these three? A meteoroid is a small piece of rock or debris floating in space. A meteor is a bright streak of light created when the meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up. A meteorite is a part of the meteor that survives the atmospheric journey and lands on Earth's surface. And our special guest that is here right now is going to talk about the meteor that is expected to hit the Earth in 2032. But here are some fun facts before we talk about this. Did you know that meteorites that come from asteroids are about 4.5 billion years old, while meteorites that are from the moon are only 2.9 billion years old? Meteoroids are primarily formed when larger celestial bodies like asteroids collide with each other in the asteroid belt, breaking off into smaller pieces of debris that then become meteoroids. Most meteoroids are pieces of other large bodies that have been broken or blasted off. Some come from comets, others come from asteroids, and some even from the moon and other planets. Some meteoroids are rocky, while others are metallic, or combinations of rock and metal. Now that you know some more about types of meteoroids, our special guest is going to tell you about the meteor that is expected in 2032 that will hit the Earth, called 2024 YR4. Good afternoon, Julie. This asteroid is called 2024 YR4. If this were to hit the Earth, where do you think it'd be based on your research you've been doing?
The International Asteroid Warning Network put a list of possible impact locations, which range from uninhabited or sparsely populated areas to densely populated areas in the eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, and the Atlantic Ocean, parts of Africa, the Arabian Sea, and South Asia. But our research will continue day by day.
If this were to hit the Earth, would this meteor cause damage?
If it were to strike Earth, 2024 YR4 would cause severe blast damage. According to IAWN, spanning as far as 50 kilometers from the impact site.
Wow, that meteor must be pretty big. Do you know anything about that?
2024 YR4 reflects between 5% and 25% of visible light, then its diameter between 40 and 90 meters, or 300 feet. An estimate by NASA places its diameter at 55 meters, or 180 feet, for an assumed geometric albedo of 0.154.
Cool. Anything else?
No, not at this time.
Thank you for coming on the podcast.
Thank you for having me.